If you care about realistic AI avatars that actually look human, not plastic, not stiff, not obviously fake, then this review is going to save you time and probably money. Today we're doing an honest 2025 review of Higgsfield AI, what it does well, where it falls short, how much it costs, and whether it's better than platforms like Runway, Pekka, or OpenArt. Let's jump straight in. Higgsfield AI is a next-gen video generation platform focused almost entirely on hyper-realistic human avatars. Its biggest strength? Facial realism. We're talking accurate lip sync, natural eye contact, subtle emotional expression, the small details most tools still struggle with. The standout feature is Face Studio avatars. Upload a single image, and Hexfield turns it into a surprisingly lifelike AI presenter. For creators who don't want to film themselves, this alone can replace a full recording setup. But it doesn't stop there. You get detailed motion and expression controls, eye movement, head tilt, emotion intensity. That level of control is rare at this quality. It also offers text to video for short human-centric scenes, video to video stylization, and API access for developers building avatar-based apps. Now the pros. Best-in-class realism for talking heads, fast rendering, beginner-friendly interface. And for educational channels, marketing videos, and explainer content. It's extremely efficient. But here's the catch. If you want cinematic visuals, complex VFX, or dramatic landscape shots, tools like Runway still dominate. Hexfield is human-focused. Push it into fast motion or complex scenes, and you may notice slight uncanny valley moments. And pricing? It's not cheap, especially if you're rendering in bulk. There's usually a free trial with limited credits, then creator and pro tiers, and enterprise plans with API access. You're paying for realism. So who is Hexfield best for? Creators who want AI presenters, businesses replacing on-camera talent, startups building avatar systems. If your priority is believable human video, this is one of the strongest options in 2025. But if you're chasing cinematic storytelling, you may want to look elsewhere. Now I'm curious. Would you actually replace real filming with AI avatars? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more no fluff AI tool breakdowns like this, hit subscribe.